Energy Minister Daryl Vaz has announced a new tiered pricing mechanism for petroleum products, aimed at aligning local fuel prices more closely with global market movements. Minister Vaz says the changes are necessary due to ongoing instability linked to the war in the Middle East. The minister addressed the matter at Wednesday's post-cabinet press brief. Denita Rodney has that story.
During the post-cabinet briefing at Jamaica House on Wednesday, Vaz said the current system, while shielding consumers, has cost Petrojam between $1.3 billion and $1.4 billion over 4 weeks.
Between March 12th and April 8th, the full increase in transport fuel prices averaged $49.20 per litre. So that would have been the increase based on the change in the oil prices. However, only $18 of that $49.20 per litre was passed on to consumers based on Government of Jamaica's pricing cap at Petrojam at $4.50 per litre per week, up or down. Growing fiscal pressure, particularly if elevated prices persist, if we continue the current pricing mechanism up to June 2026, it would cost the Government of Jamaica 11.8 billion Jamaican dollars, which is unaffordable and unsustainable, and in fact is 2/3 of this budget year's revenue measures.
Under the revised system, multiple pricing caps will replace the existing $4.50 limit, allowing for more flexible adjustments in response to global oil price volatility.
Government is going to have to look at policies to limit movements, especially transportation movements. I don't know, Minister Dixon, I don't know whether or not we go back to a COVID hybrid version of working from home, but something has to happen.
Minister Vaz cautioned that fuel prices are likely to continue rising and urged Jamaicans to conserve energy.
But it is 100% the responsibility of every Jamaican to realize that we are in a major crisis as it relates to the price of oil internationally. And therefore, you need to take responsibility for your household and your business to see what you can do.
Despite the challenges, he said Jamaica's energy security remains stable, supported by supply contracts and the Petrojam's refining capacity, with the government continuing to monitor global developments.